Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. And today I'll be guiding you on how to sign up for TikTok account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your Play Store and then search for TikTok if you don't have the application yet. And you just have to download this one and install it. After installing the TikTok application, you just have to click on the open option. And right here, you can choose what you want to use to log in or create your account. So you can use your phone, email, username, your Facebook, your Google, your Twitter. So you just have to choose, okay? So if you don't wanna, link to your account to your TikTok, you just have to click on the sign up option at the bottom, this one, and here you can choose to use your phone or email. So for me, I'll be using my phone or my email, so just click on the first option. Okay, so here you just have to type out your phone number as well as your email, but I suggest that you use your Google or any of your account in order to sign up for TikTok directly. Okay, so let's go back right here, and I'm going to use my Google. So just click on continue with Google if you want to use this one as well. And it will be redirected to this page where you have to put the details of your birth date. So you can choose to put your real birthday right here or just create for TikTok account only. Okay, so let's try 2003 and then click on next. And then right after that, your TikTok account will be created and you just have to create your nickname. Then click on continue. So as you can see, I have now a profile or account on TikTok. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.